Foldable phones have come a long way, and 2025 just gave us three powerful contenders. Let's break down the Z Fold 6, Pixel Fold 2, and OnePlus Open 2 to see which one deserves your pocket and your cash. Starting with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. It brings a thinner design, upgraded hinge, and finally, a wider outer display. Under the hood, you're getting the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 and a brighter AMOLED screen with improved durability. Next up, Google's Pixel Fold 2, the photography king of foldables. It now features Google's AI-powered image processing, the Tensor G4 chip, and a sleeker design with minimal bezels. It's perfect for those who love a compact foldable with flagship cameras. And then, the OnePlus Open 2, a dark horse in the foldable game. Lightweight, premium feel, and possibly the fastest charging among all three. It balances performance, battery life, and a clean UI like no other. So, who wins? For camera lovers, Pixel Fold 2. For multitaskers, Z Fold 6. For value and speed, OnePlus Open 2. Which one would you pick? Let us know in the comments.